Another episode of Trini Bites. Today I'll be cooking curry crab with eggplant and potato. Okay, so these are the ingredients that we're gonna use for the crab today. So this is fresh crab, fresh BC crab. This is 3 crab that I've cleaned. I have some seasoning here. I have some milk. I have 2 potatoes and half of eggplant, which I'll cut up into little pieces, and I have a piece of habanero pepper. So I'm just gonna cut that in very thin slices so that it cooks fast. The reason I'm cutting up this in thin slices is because I'm going to cook this before the crab, because the crab doesn't take that long, and this have to melt in order to get the sauce into the crab. Okay, so basically it's the same procedure. We're cutting it up into very thin pieces so that it melts. So now I'm going to season the crab, and this is the seasoning here. Then I'm going to put in some black pepper, some salt, and a piece of habanero pepper. Now I'm going to mix this together. I've heated the pot, and I'm just going to put in a little bit of oil. Now I'm going to put in some black masala and the curry. We're just going to fry this up. I'm going to add some water so that this can get into a paste. I'm going to add a little more water. So I'm just waiting for the curry to get into a smooth paste, and then I'll toss the eggplant and the potato in. Now I'm going to add the potatoes and the eggplant. Then I'm going to leave it for at least 15 minutes. And then we'll toss the crab in and the other ingredients as well. So I'm going to check the potato and the eggplant after 5 minutes, and it just needs cooking down a little bit more, so I'm going to give it another 10 minutes. Once the eggplant and the potato is melted, then we're going to toss the crab in, and also the milk. So I'm going to check the potato and the eggplant in here, and now I can see that it's coming to, you know, like it's melting up really quickly. So I will just put in a little bit of water again, and just leave it for another 5 minutes to cook. And when it's thickened down, then I'm going to toss the crab in. So now I'm going to check the potato and the eggplant again, and now it's melted even more. And now I'm going to toss the crab in. And you can taste the salt again. And so we're going to just mix this up, and then we're going to leave it to cook for at least 10 minutes, and then I'll check it again. And then the last thing I'll do is toss the milk in. Now the milk, I have 3%, but you can also use full cream milk as well. So now I'm going to just check. Oh, the smell. The potato and the eggplant melted up really good. And so now I'm going to, because crab doesn't take very long to cook, so now I'm going to toss the milk in. And let that simmer for a little bit. You can see it turn a little bit, the color turns different. And then we'll check it back in 5 minutes to see if it's done. Okay, so now I'm going to check to see if the crab is finished cooking. As you can see that all the eggplant and the potato has melted, so I think it has a little too much sauce at the moment, so I'll wait a little bit for another 5 minutes, and we'll check it again, and then it should be okay. And this can be eaten with rice and also roti, any kind of roti. Okay, so now I'm going to check the crab to see if it's done. Now everything has melted really good, and yeah, and this is just perfect right now. So I'm just going to turn the stove off, and we're going to have dinner. So this is the end product. You can also eat this with rice, roti, or dumpling. So thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Thank you.